What if Chrome could warn you before you visit an insecure website? Most people browse the internet every day without realizing that some websites may not be using a secure connection. Luckily, Chrome has a secret setting that can help if you are care about privacy and security. This is one Chrome setting you should turn on right now. It only takes a few seconds and works automatically in the background. So first open Google Chrome, tap the three dot in the top right corner, go to settings, open privacy and security, scroll down and find always use secure connection. Turn it on. That's it. When this setting is enabled, Chrome tries to use secure connection whenever possible. And if you are about to visit a website that does not use a secure connection, Chrome may show a warning first. And the best part is, once you turn it on, Chrome handles everything automatically. Most Chrome users never check this setting. There is an extra layer of protection already built into Chrome. Take a few seconds and enable always use secure connection today. It is one of the easiest Chrome security setting you can turn on, and it could help make your browsing safer with almost no effort. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Sonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.